So here it is, Sunday night, close to midnight, Sunday the 13th, here on the island of Flores. That's my hotel, and I just had a 4-hour nap. I think I'm still experiencing jet lag or something like that. There's a few stars out, but there's always high cloud here, it seems. I haven't really... There's Jupiter. That's Jupiter I can see, and that's the town of Lubuan Bajor. I'm just south of town here, and so this is my second night here on the island. I just barely made it. The flight on Air Asia, I barely made. I felt there was about a 50-50 chance of me making it here. And even that guy from Northern England near Scotland, he figured a 50-50 chance, but he had to cancel his flight because they've shut down the airport. They've shut down Bali Airport. And it's due to this G20 summit. And there's security everywhere here. And even at the ferry terminal, there was police checking all my bags for bombs and everything. So I just decided to walk out here and get a view of the hotel at nighttime. So I barely made it here in time. Yeah, they've closed the Bali airport. And this woman on the airplane said probably they'll open it up on the 17th. I have to leave on the 20th, so it looks okay. I'm just going to be doing some investigating in the lobby here, reading my Indonesian book about places. There's many islands around here. That tour looks really good. To the Komodo Island National Park. It's over there, about an hour fast boat ride away. And I'm surprised I actually made it this far. But this is my 5th island. I've been to Bali, Gili Meno, Gili Trabajuan, Lombok, and now I'm in Flores. So I'm here for a week. This is my second night tonight. They did my laundry, got that washed. And there's a few boats in the harbor over there. Yeah, snorkeling was not really good. Even at 10 a.m. the visibility is not good. You got to go early in the morning before the wave action picks up. And yeah, this G20 summit thing, God, Trudeau's even here. That's what I heard. Even Justin Trudeau is here in Bali. And security is tight. They searched all my bags, even at the ferry terminal. But I just go with the flow, and everything has worked out. We took off from Gili Meno, and my luggage was still on the dock. I'm like, well, why are we leaving without my luggage in a small boat with 30 people? And then we transferred to a bigger boat in Lombok to come back to Bali. But it all arrived. I don't know what system they have. So I think I'm going to be here. What was it? Originally it was the 11th to the 18th. Now it's the 12th to the 19th. And I return back to Bali on the 19th on Air Asia. I think it'll work. So yeah, I want to book that tour Which one? I don't know. There's two different tours. It's about $1 million. Costs about $1 million rupiah, which is about $90 Canadian. So to go to 5 different places, it doesn't seem too bad. Oh, I'm seeing more stars now. Is that Orion? Okay. Well, that's Jupiter. No, I've decided to move on. I've been here for 2 nights. That's good enough. And Hotel Sylvia next. And from there, I asked them at the front desk tonight. I needed more water. I ran out of water, so they got me 2 bottles. Got my laundry done. And and then there's other options. There's apparently a nice island just north of here, and it looks really nice. So yeah, I have to go back to the lobby because the internet here doesn't work very well, and in your hotel room you're even lucky to get a signal. You have to go to the lobby all the time. And I asked the guy at the front desk after doing mime and body language. Nobody knows English here. Well, very few. So you feel like you're just performing on a stage and you're doing hand gestures and all that. Was that lightning? Oh. So yeah, and then I said, hey, I just bought a flash drive when I was on Lombok at an electronics store going through town. And I said, can I transfer my memory from my phone to this flash drive? And they said, no, we don't have that availability here, sir. But in Hotel Kakra in Denpasar Valley, they allowed me to transfer my information for that paragliding thing. They couldn't figure it out. I finally figured it out after half an hour after getting bit around my ankles. And I just sprayed myself totally. I doused myself totally because they always attack my ankles here. And it's only in hotel lobbies. Mosquitoes like hotel lobbies. I don't know why. I'm okay outside, everywhere else, but mosquitoes, and then they bite you and it hurts, and then you're scratching for like a half an hour. Little tiny mosquitoes that you can't even see. And yeah, I had a nap tonight for about 4 hours. I think I'm still experiencing jet lag or something, even after 2 weeks. So I'm here for 1 more week, and I got time to figure that out, where I'm going next. But this is apparently the best diving destination in the world. So, and the monkeys were here this morning. I don't know where they are now. There was like 7 monkeys swarming around here this morning. I don't know where they are now. So I'll check out here 11 a.m. or something, and then go to Hotel Sylvia. Maybe they can transfer my memory on their computers, and then I'll decide. So yeah, and I'll have my free breakfast here in the morning. This is the breakfast place over here. I just got some more water at the front desk, and I might be able to get some more water in the morning. You can't drink out of the taps here, are you? Well, I've been injected with hepatitis A and typhoid, taking my Malarone for malaria. So they said this area does have malaria, but it's not as bad as when you get closer to New Guinea. So yeah. So where's my room? This is floor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that's my room right there. Yeah. 6th floor. The other one, 8th floor, was over there. And they had the old key system. No artwork on the walls. The remote control was broken. I said, I want another room. So that's my room right now, 6th floor. 2 nights here is good enough. So yeah, I'm going to be doing some investigating in the lobby and discovering. That's a big satellite dish. Wow. And yeah, so I think this is my last night at this Hotel La Prima. It's about $90 Canadian. Yeah, this place would have been expensive in Vancouver for sure. Like $300 a night. So when you get here, food is cheap, fruit is cheap. You know, this was only a little bit more money than to go to Mexico. Yeah, I'm just wearing my African shirt right now because that's the only clean one I had left, but they just did my laundry, so that's good. So I'm feeling good, colorful, and it would have been nice for me to be here with somebody, but life doesn't work out like that all the time. And there's a cat over there. There's cats all over the place here. The monkeys are about the same size as a cat. Or is that a monkey? Maybe that is a monkey. I don't know. Where is he? It's either a cat or a monkey. I don't know. So it's a nice hotel here. You know, you talk to one taxi driver, they say, oh, this place is good, that place is good. You don't know. But this G20 summit here, security everywhere. I think Trudeau's here. That's what they said. But they chose to go to Bali. And why not Jakarta or any other city? Because I guess there's this really nice hotel in Bali, and that's where they all are. We drove by it, and there was police everywhere. So I'm going to the lobby, and that's it for now.